Want to know why it's cool that he's my buddy? I told him ER Works donated this subframe that's already been reinforced and all the main points, and it had the plate, the kit in it already for camber, for tow, I think it is. Tow, right? So I told him that shit killed me doing it on my car. And he told me, bring it down. I'll take them out for you real quick. So that's my buddy. So Pedro said he's never taking my car again.
Just to take the edges so when the bushing is pressed in, it doesn't slice it.
It doesn't cut it? Yeah. Okay, perfect. All right, awesome, man. So not only did he take them out,
ready for you to powder coat it.
Back at Peerless, I just dropped off the custom one with the reinforced logistics subframes, and they're gonna have it for me next week. So shout out to Peerless again. They just finished my diff subframe. I mean, so here we go. This is the before, and we're doing this with suspension paint. So I cleaned them up with the greaser. This is what it looks like. Again, the big issue is that I'm doing it with suspension paint first because I've been getting things powder coated only to find out that I'm not gonna go that direction. Back at my buddy Pedro's. I just showed up this time because I was afraid he wouldn't take my call from the last time. So what we're doing is putting the Condor bushings on here. So we're gonna go ahead and take all this. He's done, put him in, and as always, man, best guy ever. Come check him out.
Then Mente and Tysees, it's more.
So they don't
like,
squeak?
Yeah, they don't squeak and makes it easier to go in.
Okay. Done. There we go. Another incredible job by Eurosport Auto Tech, baby. You don't got the shirt. He got the shirt.
He's got the special one.